Here the question is to name the sweetening agent that can be used for the cooking of sweets for a diabetic patient. The artificial sweetening agents that are commonly used include aspartame, stevia, sucralose, and saccharin. Aspartame is often used in sweetened beverages but not suitable for a high heat cooking as it can break down. While stevia is a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of stevia plant, it is heat stable, making it suitable for cooking and baking. The third one is sucralose. It is a popular artificial sweetener that is heat stable and can be used in baking and cooking. It doesn't have a bitter aftertaste and is about 600 times sweetener than sugar. The last one is saccharin, an older artificial sweetener that is stable under heat and making it suitable for cooking and baking is saccharin. However, it can have slightly bitter aftertaste. So you can write the name of any of these sweetener to achieve 1 mark.